Hi guys, hello, welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Flavor. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what I am making. And I know I've made many broths before, but I'm calling this Marcy's broth. I am pleading with you, if it's within your heart, you know how they say, what he says in the Bible actually, when more than one come together in my name, there I shall be. And I just feel that the power of prayer is such a huge healer. And that's what I am asking you to do today. And I started with a organic whole chicken. There's a lot of love that went into this. And honestly, as I was preparing it, I could just feel, I don't even know how to explain it, but I felt that connection to her body, like her insides. So I added malagueta, a couple of these, about 6 I think. I added some bay leaves. I did some onion, some garlic, also cilantro. I have 3 full heads of celeries. And I started this process 2 days ago. I'm getting ready now to strain everything and put it in mason jar. To strain all of this, oh God, burn it. Now with the chicken that's left, oh God, you can't even see me. With the chicken that's left, you can make like chicken salad or whatever, which is what I do. I'm gonna start putting it in the jars and getting it ready, and then Conchita will come out to play, and you'll get to meet Conchita in a minute. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to start loading my jars. I have strained, as you saw earlier, I have strained my broth. But I wanted to mention real quickly something that's very important. Your jars need to be lukewarm because my broth here is warm. So you don't want any difference in temperature between your broth and your jars. Because if that happens, what ends up happening, you weaken the jar and it's more prone for the jar to bust inside your canner. So all we're doing now, I'm gonna fill them up. See the head space? Can you see that? Okay, hold on. Let me take this off so you can have a better view. Sorry guys. You see that? It's up to here. Where that line is. That's what you want. In this case, I don't bother stirring or anything because it's liquid. There's no air trapped in there. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to, I wet this paper towel. And all I'm gonna get ready to do is clean the rim around this so nothing is on it that will compromise the sealing of my jars. I'm gonna get ready to put my lids. My lids have been disinfected and everything, but I am gonna rinse them again through hot water and put them on. Not necessary, but I just choose to do it. Hey guys, here's Conchita. Hold on. Oh God, this is a huge mess, guys. But here's Conchita, she came out to play. And normally you fill 3 of these quarts of water on your canner, okay? But since I can already eyeball it, I don't do that. This is Conchita, as I said before, and I was able to get actually 15 jars in here. And as you can see, I had to do, you gotta put one of these in between. You cannot just stack the jars on top of each other. And now I'm gonna put the lid on and wait for it to come to a steady steam. And I'll show you the next. A couple of things I want to point out when you're using your canner. Normally when I finish using my canner, I make sure that all my components are working. So I blow through here or run water through it to make sure there's nothing obstructing this release valve, because this one will release steam. I make sure this one can go up and down easy. And this one as well. See that? There's nothing obstructing it, so it's ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my canner, and then let me see. I have one hand, guys. So, and I show this every time. You see this V has to match this V so that you can close it properly. And you heard it there, catch. And all you're gonna do is run it this way. I'm trying to use one hand. And all we're gonna do now is wait for it to start a steady steam through here. And once that happens, we're gonna time it 10 minutes. Okay guys, can you see the steady steam right there? Now we're gonna set it to 10 minutes. It took about 20 minutes to get to this point. So just keep that in mind. So if we have 20 minutes plus 10, that's 30 minutes. Okay. So really from start to finish, this is going to take about an hour. Okay, now that the 10 minutes are up, we're going to put our weight regulator. And the next step is we're going to wait until this reaches 10 pounds of pressure. Okay guys, so we reached 10 pounds of pressure. It is time to put our timer for 25 minutes. And there you have it. Bring you back. All right guys, so our timer has gone off. So it's time to turn this off over here. And we're going to let it just cool down on its own. Okay guys, so it had, ow! I put my hand on it and it burned me. But now it's safe to open because it's at 0. And you see that this came down. This is not jiggling. This is also down. So it's safe to open. But a word of caution, when you're going to open it, you want to lift it away from you so that any steam, you don't get burned, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and open it like this. But you know what, guys? I need both hands. So hold on. And here you have it, guys, all done. I am so tickled and so excited for her to get these. The other thing that I wanted to mention also, that when I make these, I don't only drink it like just a broth. Sometimes I will heat it up and put some rice noodles in it, some either shrimp or chicken, and some veggies, like green veggies, and then I'll have it that way, like a light soup, if you will. You can do that as well. So I'm just kind of giving you ideas. But if you feel ill or whatever, this is perfect to have first thing in the morning. Just warm it up. Whatever you do, do not put it in the microwave, because I just feel that it kills a lot of the good benefits of it when you nuke it. So that's just my personal opinion. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Please subscribe to my channel. And whatever you do, give it a thumbs up, because it is what helps my channel grow above all. Thank you and have a blessed day.